This is the brand new Google Pixel Watch 4, 45mm edition. With a bold new design, longer battery life, powerful fitness tracking, and Google AI under the hood, this could be the smartwatch that Android users have been waiting for. Let's take a closer look. The Google Pixel Watch 4 is a stunning display of precision craftsmanship. With Gemini, your built-in AI assistant, Google's longest-lasting battery, and comprehensive tools for next-level health and fitness performance. See it all and do the most with the Actua 360 Dome display. It's 10% larger and 50% brighter than Pixel Watch 3, and as durable as ever with scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass. The Google Pixel Watch 4 has Gemini built in. Just ask questions, and your ultra-capable AI assistant will deliver quick responses for personalized help. And stay connected when you're texting with AI-powered quick replies that are hyper-relevant. 6. Get up to 40 hours of battery life, or up to 72 hours in battery saver mode. Plus, the new side charging dock gives you 15 hours of battery in 15 minutes or less. Train smarter with 40-plus exercise modes and real-time stats on your wrist. And with high-precision dual-frequency GPS, you get more accurate route tracking on runs and hikes. The Pixel Watch 4 helps you understand your health with Google's most accurate heart rate tracking and sleep insights, and key health metrics like SpO2, HRV, and more. Loss of pulse detection can detect a loss of pulse event and prompt a call to emergency services. And if you need help when you're in a remote location, the Pixel Watch 4 can connect you to emergency services through geostationary satellites. With aerospace-grade aluminum housing and water resistance up to 50 meters, you can wear it wherever life takes you, from pool time to the finish line. The Pixel Watch 4 is compatible with most Android devices. Listen to music on the run with Pixel Buds, control your Pixel camera from your watch, and see your Nest Cam or Nest Doorbell feed. Please refer to the legal section below for all applicable legal disclaimers denoted by the bracketed numbers in the preceding bullet points. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews and first impressions. See you in the next one.